Okay. This should be good. Y'all gotta give me a second when it comes to this because I'm used to doing this on Instagram and not doing this. And then plus I had to put a robe on because if you follow me on Instagram, you always know that you see the bare chest at the top because honey, I be naked. I ain't even gonna lie. But anyway, well, most of y'all know I be damn naked, but I don't show my body on there. But this is a nudist house. We don't. Look at me. Okay, that's better. This is a nudist house. We don't wear clothes over here. But anyway, so I announced today that I am officially off of Instagram. I'm trying to answer my last few little DMs. Cause no lie, on Instagram, I literally probably will get like 30 DMs on the regular. And then like if I'm really talking about a subject and people are into it, honey, I get over 50. And I answer to everybody because I love to talk to people. Communicate with people on there because I just love talking and interacting with people all over the world. And you can do that on the app. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. I announced it today. For some odd reason, it was kind of like, I'm just gonna, y'all gonna be like, bitch, you are crazy as hell. It's kind of emotional for me because, like, that's like my pastime because I'm a loner. I'm always fucking alone. Only child, alone. Mother abandoned me, alone. Even in this damn relationship, which we'll talk about further along as I get into this. I'm alone in this too. I'm about to spend me some 420 time. Hello. So, my favorite things to do on Monday is to grocery shop. Grocery shopping actually, for some odd reason, gives me peace. So I'm at my local farmers market. Well, I don't even stay on this side of town no more, but I still come to the DeKalb farmers market. It is like the best farmers market to me in Georgia. I'm getting me a little reusable bag. I think I'm only gonna get one because I don't need to get a lot of stuff out of here. Good morning. So currently right now it's 4 o'clock in the morning. People always like, what the hell do you be doing at 4 o'clock in the morning? I don't listen. My body will not allow me to sleep past 4 these last couple of months. So I'm up and I got a lot of shit to do anyway. I always typically write, I don't know if y'all could see that. I typically write down everything that I need to do. So shit, I might as well get started on that.
So you told them to just holler at you on YouTube?
Yeah, because I want to start making, you know, I actually do love to make content videos.
What time is it? Let's make some food or some motherfucking nachos. Shit.
I was gonna make baked nachos too for cooking with friends. Okay, hey y'all, today is Wednesday and I'm about to film this 613 video.
And my baby is not here yet. Film that too.
Yes, they hear you. My friend's baby is not here yet. And she does not want to be induced. She wants to do it the natural way, even though she's dilated 0. Is that even possible? I'm gonna post this. Maybe by the time I post it, she probably still won't have that damn baby. My girl wanted to be pregnant for 40 weeks and 40 nights.
I have to schedule an appointment Tuesday.
Oh yeah, that's right. Okay, so I went to Sephora. They had, you know, they had that little annual sale or whatever that they be having. And I had a gift card. I had a really good gift card that I just been sitting on. I did not know I had that amount of money. So, and I gotta do my makeup because I'm about to put on this blonde here. And when you be putting on these colors,
You got to be beat to the gun.
you got to be beat. That ain't no wig you could just throw on because we about to release this 613 here. And that's another reason why I left Instagram, because we released it and I have not done any promo or videos on it. So yeah, first things first is the eyebrow pencil. Mac used to have a good one, but it's not sharp no more. It's like a ball point, and I like a sharp. Okay. I think everybody gonna forget that I'm not on Instagram. Like, everybody forgets that I don't eat chicken, and they still keep asking me about chicken. So listen, this is the before, and this is the after. Hello, brow. I think it's a little too long, but whoop, there we go. Slide it right on off.
Are you recording on your phone?
I'm recording on my camera. How am I recording on my phone? I'm talking to you on the phone.
Why do you pause?
Oh.
If not, we'll forget another time.
Okay, you said Friday at 6. Let me double check. Okay, Friday at 6 is good.
That should be okay?
Yes.
Alright.
Alrighty, I hope you feel better.
Yes, because I'm definitely hoping to be able to see you this week. So
Okay.
I'm working on it, I promise.
Okay, no problem. Just take your time.
Alright, I'll see you Friday at 6.
Alright, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Sister, that was a therapist again.
What's she saying?
She's still sick, but she sound real sick though. Now she want me to come Friday at 6.
I think she's gonna still be sick when she said she said yesterday.
Yeah, she sounded real bad yesterday, so guess I have therapy Friday at 6. I just got done filming, but I do want to say this. I want people to bring back real TV. Like, these reality TV shows, I don't want to see this. I need to see, like, real TV shows, like Moesha, the Parkers. Like, give me some real TV. Why all the black people doing reality TV? Yeah, I know I had this damn wig cap on because I had to do a wig video, but yeah. And I'm fucking this food up. I made some chili with Cooking with Friends. I could not wait to... I keep looking over here. I'm gonna get better with this vlogging over a period of time, but I had to pick up the phone because that's what I would do if I had Instagram. And I had a long, productive day today, y'all. I got so much stuff accomplished by not strolling on Instagram all day. And as y'all can see, I'm gonna go to therapy tomorrow because it keeps getting rescheduled. There's that. Good night. Good morning. It's currently 7:27. I have been up for a minute. I feel like I'm dropping the ball when it comes to I'm supposed to be like vlogging and not posting on Instagram. But I have not been really vlogging like that. But I've been getting a lot of work done, surprisingly. So I guess I'm just slowly moving into this transition, and you know, it'll get better over time. But anywho, I guess that from the previous clips that I have went to therapy, and my therapist told me that I need to learn to set boundaries, but not only set boundaries, that I need to like force these boundaries. So yeah, I'm going to be working on that. So I need to start telling people no, and when they say why not, I need to just not say, well, you know what, I'm going to do it anyway. So no means no. This is so interesting, learning myself through a therapist. And like, when she be saying this shit to me, I'm like, wow, you really in my head. And then when she tells me how to like navigate it or try to, you know, just, sister girl is awesome. Anyway, I've got mail. Y'all, do y'all see this? Chanel. One of my longtime supporters, she's been purchasing hair. She's modeled for me. Like, she's been with me since day one. And to be honest, a lot of my customers be turning into my friends. So I have befriended such a large group of women that I have some of my customers have my number. We text, we talk, you know, just things like that. And she was like, hey Bree, what's your mailing address? I want to send you something. I was like, okay. And when she sends it, she stays in Florida, and then she's an excellent, super good makeup artist, besides like being an ambassador for our company. But she works at Chanel, and when I got this in the mail, I was like, okay. Yeah, so I wanted to open it up on camera because I was like, that's so nice of her to like send me something. Like, That's like super, super nice. And I've never received like mail from somebody just to think of me, that personally, that I don't hang with every day or talk to every day, but just to think of me was so, so super sweet. So, and this, whoa, there's a lot of stuff in here. There's a lot of stuff in here. Okay. Oh, it's a card. This is just a small token of appreciation. Thank you for allowing me to promote your business in these past few years. I hope that you enjoy these products and there are more to come. Let me know when you receive this so I can explain. Oh my god. And this card smells, I wonder if she sprayed it. It smells so good. Yeah. So, okay, I got some cleansing wash and some hydrating, I guess that's like a moisturizer. To know me is to know that your girl loves skin. I love any kind of skin products. So this is gonna be big. And I actually, every 6 months I try to like switch up my skin routine so that, well, typically because wintertime you dry, summertime oily, you know, different changes like that. But not even only that, your skin can get used to products over a period of time and it just won't intake it like it was in the beginning. So this is actually right on time. Oh, big bottle. I'm so excited to try this. Oh my god. Okay. I got some lip glosses. Love lip glosses. And some more liquid lipstick. Some eye serum. Okay. Because you know what? No lie. I was thinking, do y'all think I'm doing too much? I was thinking about getting like some like, not Botox, but what is it called? Like, you know, I want to fill these lines in. Like, I don't want like no lines right here. I don't know. Listen, I told my friend the other day that I was thinking about getting my lip done. Like, my top lip to me is so small, and then it comes down. Like, listen, sometimes you gotta live your life and not tell people what you want to do. Because both of my friends was like, don't do that. There's so much stuff in here, y'all. Like, seriously. More cream. Oh my god, it's mascara. Oh my god, y'all. Okay, I'm not wearing my lash extensions currently because I'm trying to give them a break to let my eyes grow out. So this was right on time because I've been trying to test out a few. Y'all, there's so much stuff in here. It's some perfume in here. It smells really good. Yeah. So thank you, Christine, if you see this. Oh my god, thank you. Thank you so much. Okay. Let me go back downstairs because I'm still working. I've been up since 4 working, and I gotta go back downstairs and finish filming the co-wash process of hair. Wait, real quick. I had to come back on here. This lip gloss, I'm not even like, first of all, the application brush. I don't even know if y'all gonna be able to see this really good. Y'all, oh my god. I have never put something on my lips that feels so smooth. And it's like, it feels good. Like, it's really comfortable. And look at that shine. Look at that shine. Oh my god. Y'all, this is good. This is good. You know, at first you'd be like, okay, Chanel is probably like overpriced regular lip gloss. This ain't, And my lips, I was just saying I need my lips done, but hello. It's making these lips pop, baby. When? Or where your headphones at? Oh yeah, this shit got a kick to it. You don't know, had no kick to it. Y'all gonna tell me make it spicy.
We'll find you there.
Alright. Okay, so these clips are gonna go in between my phone and the camera. Can Jesus, I'm trying to set this up right. Okay, be still. Okay. There we go. Okay. So listen, this is the end final of this like small clippings. I'm just gonna throw these clips together and put it together because now that I have my mojo going, the videos will get better. So a summary of this week. No Instagram at all. I haven't checked it or anything like that. I've gotten a lot of work done. I made a whole board of, I think I showed them in some previous clips, a whole board of stuff that I needed to do. And I only have 2 more things on there that I need to do. So bravo to me for accomplishing some things. I didn't go to the gym this week, but I plan on throwing the gym in there this upcoming week. So it's Saturday. Sunday, I'm finishing everything I'm supposed to finish. So yeah. Hopefully I get better at this vlog and stuff. I just need to come out of my comfort zone and be able to pull out the camera. So yeah. I'll catch y'all in the next vlog because this week is going to be busy for me. So I'm going to do a whole clip of me and Sade starting this webinar because this has been crazy already. I should have filmed the beginning, but I'm going to film it now. Just bear with me and tune in. Yeah, bear with me.